My name is Yogitype. I live in Groenlo in the Netherlands. I'm a writer. I work with the Yogitype since 2010.
Why did you come to change your keyboard? Like, was there a reason?
Yes, oh sure, there was a reason. I did have an ergonomic keyboard.
Yes, yes.
Although I was working like this instead of like this, it was still all days I had to hold up my own shoulders and the elbows, and well, it was really repetitive strain. So I had a bursitis coming up and going, coming up and going all the time.
Nicolette, could you explain a little bit what you went through when you started working with Yogitype?
Yes, I had once, about I think 20 years ago, learned myself to type blind. And as soon as I began to type, I forgot completely, so I went back to 2 or 3 fingers. And when I really needed the Yogitype, so I had those complaints, and I had it here, the Yogitype, I had it standing here, and every day I forced myself to practice half an hour. The complaints got so bad that I had to, and you know, the typing blind thing was also a problem for me, I thought. But once I realized that I had to type on the Yogitype, because otherwise I couldn't go any further, the problem was solved in 2 weeks. It was no problem at all.